the strength to put up with the world. My friends and I aren't cool, but we have more fun. And all we needed was a song. And if we miss the last train home, we'll be alright. The bus to Oxford runs all night, so we'll be alright. Slam dunk or Sonosphere or Reading Festival, it's just me and my friends laughing, acting fools. If I could relive those days, I'd do it all again. And there is absolutely nothing I would change, except the rain. My friends and I aren't cool, but we have more fun. And all we needed was a song. And if we miss the last train home, we'll be alright. The bus to Oxford runs all night, so we'll be alright. Yeah, we'll be alright.
As I was a-walking one morning in spring, to hear the birds whistle and the nightingale sing, I met a fair maiden, so sweetly sang she, all among the green bushes where she thinks to meet me. Oh, I'll buy you beavers and fine silken gowns, I'll buy you fine petticoats, flounced down to the ground, if you will prove loyal and constant to me, and forsake your own true love and get married to me. Oh, I don't want beavers nor fine silken hose, I was never so poor as to marry for clothes. But if you will prove loyal and constant to me, I'll forsake me own true love and get married to thee. Oh, let us be going, kind sir, if you please. Oh, let us be going from under the trees. For me true love he is coming over yonder green lea, all among the green bushes where he thinks to meet me. And when he came there and he found she was gone, he stood like a lambkin that was all forlorn. She's gone with some other, she's forsaken me, all among the green bushes where she thought to meet me. Now I'll be like a schoolboy and I'll spend me time in play, I was never so poor as to throw myself away. She's gone with some other, which grieves me full sore. So farewell to green bushes, it is time to give all.